Hi, and welcome to my ClickFunnels review for 2019. This is Mark K. A lot of you know me from my radio show. A lot of you know me from my internet stuff. Some of you know me as a ClickFunnels official speaking team member. And today I'm going to be reviewing ClickFunnels. If you're not familiar with it, or if you are familiar with it but you want to learn more, if you're thinking of investing, this is going to be a great video for you to watch. Now, I should let you know, as a member of the ClickFunnels speaking team and as a longtime customer and user of ClickFunnels, this is a biased review. This is not an unbiased review. I'm a big fan. I've been a client, like I said, for years. I built tons of funnels. It's made me a lot of money. And just last year, I started representing the company on the speakers circuit. So things you should know about me before you begin. But so if you're looking for an unbiased review, this isn't it. But if you want somebody who really knows the ins and outs of this product and is a big fan and can walk you through every step of the way, I'm your guy. Keep watching. All right, so when you first get to your dashboard, this is what it looks like. It's all your funnels are here. They're organized. You can make favorites, whatever. And if you want to start, let's say, a new funnel, they make it really hard. Just kidding. They have a button here that says Add New. You just click Add New Funnel. Now, there's two ways to do it. You can do the cookbook builder process, and this is where they have it. Look at this, a ton of different pre-made funnels, live demo funnel. You can get a squeeze page funnel. You can do whatever you want, and you just click Start Cookbook to browse the different funnels that are already being used. They're all templates. So you just go in there and you click around and you change this and you change that. Do whatever you want. But I'm gonna go classic. We're gonna kick it old school and click the classic one, and we're just gonna use a simple lead capture page. We're gonna collect some emails, and that way, what we're gonna do is we're gonna call this. What should we do? What are we gonna capture? Let's just do email capture demo, so that we know what it's about. And now watch what happens. The funnel is being built, and when it pops up, it's gonna ask you which template you would like to use. And the templates, first of all, there's so many of them, and they're so gorgeous. Look at these. These are all professionally designed. These are all professionally designed email templates. Look at all these. These are really attractive people. Look at this dude. He's good looking. She's good looking. You don't have to be this attractive to capture leads. I'm just saying. So, let's take a look at one. So let's preview this one. This one, for example, is Mother Funnel Secrets. Here, this could be a picture of you. How to generate 195,000 visitors a month without ads. That's great. Click here. Look what happens. Boom. You could take this funnel, right here, and you could, in fact, why don't we do this? Look, questions. Why don't we do? I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this one. So this is the one I want to use. And again, there's so many. Look at all these different ones that are down here. Supercharge your business, free video if you want to do a video, business bottom line, just opt in. Look at this one. This is a great one too. This one looks simple, but look, the best things often are. Just opt in. What if you just had a free, in fact, maybe we'll use this one. I've never used this one before, so I'm going to use this one. Here we go. Let's hit select template. Now it's building our opt-in page. And what we can do is this will give you a simple overview, but basically what happens is now we have two pages over here. The funnel steps, there's the opt-in and the thank you. Opt-in and thank you. It's a two-step funnel, 2 steps. If you hit edit page, you can come in here and you can edit the page. There's a few elements on this page. There's, of course, the logo. There's the just opt-in. There's this little line here that says select from over 200 templates. And then here's the email address. Here's what we have. We have this photo in the background. We have this dark kind of overlay to make it look kind of nice. And I'm going to leave that. But what I'm going to do here is I'm going to take out the logo. And all you have to do this is very simple. Watch this. Ready? Click on the logo. Click on the photo. Here's your photo library. You can pick any one of these photos that you want for your logo. I'm going to use the ClickFunnels logo. Why don't we do that? Add the image and boom, all of a sudden, well, that doesn't work because it doesn't have a background. So here's another thing. We don't like it. We trash it. Wait, hold on. We're just going to change it out. So we're going to go here. And let's say I don't want to use a logo. In fact, yeah, let's cancel that. Let's say I don't even want to use a logo. So we'll just go here and you hit the trash can. Okay, it's gone. So now what we're going to do is, let's say we are collecting leads for ukulele players. This is great. Let's say we're giving people, let's say ukulele, and we have to make this a little smaller because it's a little big, which is easy to do. You just go here and you can slide the font size, and let's make it 115. Okay, that's good. And then we're going to make this players. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to highlight this as well. Go here to the settings, and you can just slide it again. And we're going to make this 115 ukulele players. And then what I want to do is I want to write unite. All right. So what I'm going to do is, instead of just to make it kind of similar, I can just go here and watch. I can highlight it and hit duplicate or clone. And then it clones the ukulele word. And what I do then is I just move it around. Watch how easy this is. Drag it under players, boom. And then I can write unite. And since this is going to be a little bit bigger, I can make this a little bit bigger. I'm going to make it 130. See what that's like. No, I'm going to make it 200. I'm going to make it 175. I'm going to make it 150. I'm going to make it 165. Sold at 165. Ukulele players unite. So if you're a ukulele player and you come to this page, then we are going to be interested all of a sudden. And then you're going to be like, enter your email address for a chance to win a free ukulele. Okay. And maybe we want to make this bold. Maybe we want to make this bigger. We clicked on settings again and watch, we can make it a little bit bigger. Free ukulele. We can change the color, the bold color. We can make it yellow so it really stands out. If we want it to be, now watch this. We can also make it closer. If we want to make it closer, we just take away the top margin. Boom. Now it's kind of more compact. Enter your email address here. And then all they have to do is enter their email address. Now, instead of get started, we can change this button to yes, I want a free ukulele. Okay. And if we want to change the color of that, we can change it to this bright red. And the page is saved. And now watch what happens when you preview. Ukulele players unite. Enter your email address for a chance to win a free ukulele. And then they put their email address in here. They click there, boom, submit it, and it takes them to the thank you page. Now, we haven't set up the thank you page yet, but that's basically how easy was that? It literally took us not even 2 minutes to create a page. Now, since we've saved this, we can go back here to our main page, and we can go here to the thank you. Now, we go to the thank you page, and it's going to show us all these templates for thank you pages, and we can pick whatever one we want. You can have a video thank you, you can have anyone just a basic thank you, again with a photo of you. You could have, look, this one's very similar to what we did. So let's just select this template, and we will edit this page. All right, and now what's gonna have thanks, and we're gonna change this to woohoo. We will we click here. We will email you if you win. And let's make this a little smaller again, so we can drag it down like this. We will email you if you win. And then right here we'll say, you may re-enter every week. Okay. Just because, whatever, they really want that ukulele. And then we don't have anything else for them to do. Now, you could, after you've collected their email, use this to sell them a product or show them a video or get them to join your Facebook group or anything like that. In fact, well, here's some links here. If you click here, you can link these to your Facebook page, your Twitter, whatever you want to do. What a lot of people often will do is they'll offer some kind of let's say you have like a ukulele product or an affiliate product. Let's say you're an affiliate in sales for, let's say I want to sell you this ukulele. What I could do here is I could put a picture of me with this ukulele and say, hey, check out my favorite ukulele, and it takes you to an Amazon link. You can do that. You can do that very easily. And then whenever someone's entered to win the free ukulele, they come to this thank you page and you offer them something to buy. But you can do so many different things with this. I'm going to save this quickly. And then what's going to happen is when we go back here to the main page, you can click one button. Watch this. It's going to take you to the page. Here it is. Oh, that's the thank you page. Hold on. We want to go back to the opt-in page. And you can see how it's so simple. In about 10 minutes, we were able to make a quick opt-in. We were able to make a quick thank you page. And now it's all up and running. It's working. So if somebody comes here and they type in their email address, yes, I want a free ukulele. Then it comes here to the thank you page. You've captured their email address. You can now email them. You can send them offers. You can send them your ukulele songbook, whatever it is you want them to buy. And it's just that easy. It took us, not even 10 minutes. Of all the programs that I've ever used, this one, not only the easiest, not only the best designers, but it's got the best community and the most success stories. So here's what I've done. I've gotten a free trial link that I've put in the description of this video. So if you want to try ClickFunnels for free for 14 days, you won't be charged for 14 days. You can go in, you can have access to all of those things I just showed you. You can play around, you can build your own funnels, you can do your own webinar funnels, you can try adding logos and this and that, and whatever you want to do. You can join the Facebook group too. But click on the link in the description of this video. You will get a 14-day free trial courtesy of moi and, of course, ClickFunnels. And if you have any other questions, message me too. It's Mark K. That's my review for ClickFunnels for 2019. Basically, my review is you need ClickFunnels. If you have a business online, you need ClickFunnels. I'll talk to you guys soon.